What's going on, guys? 2019 F150 here. Just did a new exhaust. Bought some parts off eBay. I don't think I've seen or heard one like this, so I wanted to share it with you guys. If you know, I had a AFE exhaust. Forget the name of it. It was a 3" to a 3.5 catback. And I'll just go over what I have from the front to the back now. Show you what I did here. So stock turbos, I've got, can't really see it, full race manifolds in there. Haven't seen a lot of trucks or heard them with the full race manifolds. Those things are pretty sweet, and that's probably a part to why this exhaust sounds so good. So let's go under the truck here. Okay, so from the catback, or from the full race manifolds, I've got the CVS catted downpipe, and then I come back. This is a 3" right here that goes to the 1320 exhaust resonator muffler. Typically these are installed in front of your muffler, and I decided just to throw this in and see how it sounds. So you can see I've got just a 3" butt joint stainless clamps here. Right here I was able to reuse. I had to cut this off my AFE exhaust and then just bolt it up to the 1320. This is the one with that pipe. Looks kind of weird, but it's for drone. It's supposed to cancel out a lot of the drone and exhaust, and I think it sounds really good. And then, oh, gotta flip around here. So we've got, from the muffler here, we go to a 3", and this is another piece. All this stuff was just bought off eBay. This is a mandrel bent 45 that I clamped right here. You're gonna need some support back here to do this. So and you should be able to use a piece off your factory exhaust, I believe. And then I have a black dual tip. It's a 3" inlet with dual 3" outlet. And again, this was off of eBay. That's what it looks like. It looks good, sounds good. So I'm going to do a start up here, a couple revs, and see what you guys think. So I think it sounds pretty awesome. I really like that AFE exhaust that I had on here. I think that was one of the best or better sounding exhaust for the EcoBoost truck out here. So if you guys want to try this, that's what it sounds like, and it's pretty cheap. I know a lot of exhausts are $600, $700, $800+, and I think I'm in this, you know, if you just do the cat back, for only a couple $100. But you know, again, I've got full race manifolds, CVF catted downpipe, and then it goes into the 3-inch exhaust right there. So if you guys got any questions, let me know. Like I said, I had a factory exhaust that I modified into this, but I'll do some sound clips at the end of the video here, and you guys can decide if you want. Thanks. 19 F150, just got done with the custom exhaust here. We're gonna do a cold start real quick.